Hello Bashies, so for today's video I will teach you how to use this oxygen concentrator from Owgels, and the model is ZY803. Just a reminder before we start, you need to place your device on a flat surface and make sure all sides are at least 1 foot or 30 centimeters away from a wall or any obstructions like furniture. And here are the product descriptions. So the first thing you need to do is to carefully pull the humidifier bottle from the oxygen concentrator. We need to fill the bottle with distilled water, and for every use, make sure that the water level is between the marked lines, as you can see the minimum and the maximum lines. And next is we need to carefully insert the bottle back in the concentrator. And please make sure that the bottle is securely attached to the cup to prevent leakage of oxygen. And next is we need to connect the nasal cannula tube to the oxygen outlet port and make sure that it is inserted properly. And before we proceed to the next step, I just want you to show the filter which is located at the back of this machine. This one. As you can see, we have here the black filter, and make sure that it is clean. And now we can now turn on the power switch to start the oxygen therapy. We can now rotate the knob on the top of the flow meter counterclockwise to increase the oxygen, and then clockwise to decrease the oxygen flow. So for this model, the maximum oxygen flow is number 5. And here you can set the timer. I think you can set it into 4 hours, and I think 4 hours is the maximum time allowance for this machine. And after that, after the 4 hours, you need to turn it off because the concentrator needs to rest. And this is how we use this oxygen concentrator with the model ZY803. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more upcoming updates about our tutorial. Bye!